Welcome back, guys. So right now, once we propose some of the content we have on other social media platform, we have some content on Facebook. The same content we have on Facebook, we have on Instagram. So let's start this way. Let's start templating all those contents, and we're going to use them on Twitter right now. So let me do that right away. So something about Twitter is that you can always schedule a post, which is very, very important. So we are going to do that as well. So let me come right here. I'll create a new grok prompt. Yes, I'm going to create a new one. And right now, I want to propose some of the contents we have here on Facebook. So starting from, let's see what we started from here on Facebook. So we started from this, which says we are excited to, yes. So we started from this, and I'm going to come to grok to start to repurpose that. So that this would carry the logo and everything. So let me come to grok. I'll say repurpose this content for a short tweet. Yes, so we're going to repurpose it for a short tweet. So let me just Control V, let me paste that, and let's see what we have. So having to repurpose this for a short tweet, let's see what it brings for us. So grok will do the magic for us. So let's see what we have. So here is Amazon, and it shows you the characters. You know, something about Twitter is that you can only, with the free version, you can only tweet 280 characters. When you tweet beyond 280 characters, you won't be able to tweet because you're on a free version. So let me Control V, and when I Control V, you see that this is beyond 280 character. That means it will not work. But if you want to use 280 characters and above, you have to upgrade to premium, but basically you start from free. So I'm going to just take this out, and that's what grok just did for us. It streamlined this to a character that will fit into Twitter or X. So I'm going to copy this, Control V. I'm going to copy this, Control C, and I'm going to come here to Control V to paste. So here is the pasted version of that. So it says Meet Amazon, the ultimate e-commerce platform empowering entrepreneurs and enhancing shopping. So here we are. So it's going to be user friendly. Yes, we promise to be user friendly. So I'm going to just do something like this. We promise to be, yes. So the first thing will be user friendly. So I could do something like that. And to be an innovative tool. Yes, we promise to be an innovative tool. And we promise to be, yes, trusted. Yes, this is good. And we have join the Amazon, the e-commerce revolution. So follow us for updates. Amazon, yes, that's the official hashtag and everything. So we could say shop with Amazon as well, since we have those two hashtags all across. So shop with Amazon would go in as well. So here we are, and all I have to do is to bring in the image, which is what we've used on Facebook, as you could see. So let me just bring in this image, and here we are. So I brought in this image just the same way we have it on Facebook, but this post is being repurposed for Twitter, and here we are. We've been able to repurpose this. So let me just make sure the hashtag comes this way. Okay, sorry, Control Z. So the hashtag stays this way. All I have to do is to post this right now. So you could actually use tags to increase your visibility and add description, but let me post this right away because we're still going to talk about that. So yes, I just created my first post here on Twitter, which is this. So I'm going to just like this, and I'm going to repost it. So I'm going to repost. All I have to do is to pin it. So I'm going to come to more, then I'm going to say pin this to my profile. So I'm going to pin that very content to my profile. That's the first thing people will see when they come to my profile, and there we are. So we have the Amazon media, and this is the first post we repurposed. So you could go ahead to repurpose other posts. So right now we've done this, and the next thing we want to repurpose is this. So I'm going to copy this. Let's repurpose this as well. So I'm going to copy this right now. So let me repurpose it as well. So I could come right here to repurpose this content. So let's say repurpose this, and this is where we're going to stop. So I'm going to say repurpose, then I'm going to say repurpose this for a short tweet. Yes, so we're going to have this Control V. I'm going to paste what I copied from Facebook here. So I'm going to repurpose this. Let's see what we have. So let's see what grok does to this. So this is to say AI shopping assistant, virtual try-ons, fast drone deliveries. Yes, so I'm going to copy this. So let's see. Okay, so let's copy this, and let's come back to Amazon, and to create a post I'm going to use this icon post. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to bring in the image that I want to use. So let's see what we have. So we're going to use Amazon. This is Amazon right here, and we're going to use the logo. I have the logo right here. I'll make sure this is large icon. So I'm going to choose the logo right here, the design right there. So we designed this, and that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to come right here. You're going to see how we're going to create designs. So we're going to paste that, the one we find, the one we purpose for Twitter. So we're going to come right here and we're going to say, how is e-commerce evolving? How is e-commerce? How is e-commerce evolving in our very own eyes? So we're going to have this, and we're going to see AI shopping assistants. Yes, that's the first. We're going to go on and on. It's going to be virtual try-ons. Yes, that's that as well. So we're going to come right here, and we're going to say fast drone deliveries. Yes, and sustainable option. So online shopping in 2025. So we're going to proceed this way, and this will say online shopping in 2025 feels like a chat with a friend. Yes, so we're going to come here and it says, what trend excites you the most? So we have all these, and here we are. So we're going to use shop with me Amazon. That is very, very important. So we're going to say shop with me Amazon is an official hashtag as well. Shop with me Amazon. Yes, so we have that right now, and this is the repurposed content. This is what it looks like on Facebook, but we purposed it for Twitter, and there we are. So I'm going to just paste this right now, and we are good to go. So I'm going to post that, and you see the essence of what we pinned earlier on. So having to post this, it won't be the first thing you see when you come to this page. So let me use my personal page to access Amazon. So I'm going to come to search, and I'm going to search for Amazon. So let's search for Amazon right here. So I'm going to search for Amazon the brand. So I'm going to come right here to search. So I'm going to search for Amazon. So let me search for Amazon. So here we are. So I just searched for Amazon, and let me look for what we have. So Amazon Media. So let me just make it Amazon Media, and here we are. So I'm going to come right here. So having to post that, this is the first thing I see. I would see the one we pinned. The first content we pinned is what I'm going to see instead of the latest one. And this is the latest one. This is the actual latest one. And I'm going to come back here. So I'm going to come back to my main page, and here we are, and here's the second. Because I pinned that, that's why you're seeing this as a second. So that's the essence of you pinning something. So that's how to repurpose content for X, and that's what I just did. I repurposed some content I've created before. I repurposed it here on X with the new brand created. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.